Hello guys, Bill here and you're watching the first clip on the complete course of the Revit software. In this tutorial we'll learn about the application menu. Now where is the application menu? You can find the application menu on the top left corner underneath the R logo. Now click on the R logo and you will find certain options here. First option is the new. You can open a new project or family or conceptual mark etc. in this option. For example, click on this project. You can either make it as an architectural template, construction template or project template or a simple project. Click cancel. Now again come here and next option is the open. You can open an existing or some project that you have saved earlier of family, Revit file or an IFC file. IFC stands for Industry Foundation Classes. This IFC is the universal BIM format. Every BIM software has an option to save as or open an IFC file. So this is the way BIM softwares are connected with each other. Next one is the save. Control as save as. Save as allows you to save the project with the change location or the change of the name. You can save your project or file as a template or library. The advantages of these two options are that you can save this file, template or a library in the several other projects or in future projects. You can export your file as in CAD format, DWG, DXF, DGN or SAT format, or these are several format, or you can save as an IFC file as I have mentioned about IFC before. Suite workflow will show you a different BIM softwares if you are using these softwares. Now I am using only Revit software or BIM, so there are no options here. Publish, you can publish your work as DWF format, DWG format and certain these formats. Print, as the name suggests, it prints your file via printer or through a PDF format. Now click on the options. You will find these several options here. General. The first one is the save reminder interval. Revit allows you to or reminds you after certain intervals that you have to save your file. You can set time to 15 minutes, 1 hour or different time reminders or no reminder at all. Second one is user interface. User interface allows you to change the way certain things showed on your user interface. For example, these are the tables, architecture, structure, annotate. You can also see these software. These with the tick marks are shown here on the toolbar. Keyboard shortcuts. You can change the keyboard shortcuts through this button, and you can see this modify command MD will activate the modify tool. Now another option is the double click options. And if you double click on a family, it will edit the family by default. You can change it by do nothing or edit type. What the edit type it will allow you to change certain type of properties associated with that family. But I'll suggest you to keep it edit family here. And click OK. You can change the active theme from here, light or dark. The graphics you can change the background color, selection color, pre-selection or elect color. Now the background color is white. You can change it from here to any color as you desire. File locations. The file locations are set to by default this path for the user files, for family template and for point cloud. You can change the file location path anywhere you can desire in your PC from here. Now rendering, check spelling, steering wheel and view cube. What is the view cube? View cube is this icon showing here. You can change the view cube by active view only or all 3D, or you can change its own screen position, its size and opacity. Now click OK. I think that's pretty much for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.